Boom, get ready for a rapid-fire tech takeover. Nvidia's dropping a staggering $100 billion into OpenAI, sparking massive AI infrastructure plans. Plus, we're diving deep into the potential of OpenAI becoming the first trillion-dollar IPO and uncovering the red flags that have the market buzzing about an AI bubble. This is huge news that could reshape the future of artificial intelligence and the global economy. We've got all the details you need to understand what's really going on. Stay tuned as we break down exactly how this impacts you and the world of tech. You won't want to miss this. Subscribe and hit that bell. Nvidia's $100 billion OpenAI bet, a game changer or a gamble? This is more than just an investment. It's a seismic shift in the AI landscape. Nvidia is reportedly set to pour up to $100 billion into OpenAI, the powerhouse behind ChatGPT. This isn't just about funding. It's about securing a massive supply of Nvidia's coveted AI chips for OpenAI's ambitious supercomputing projects. The deal, announced on Monday, represents an unprecedented alliance between two giants at the forefront of the AI race. Nvidia, already a dominant force in AI hardware, is taking a significant financial stake in one of its biggest customers, OpenAI. While this grants Nvidia influence, it notably comes without voting power, adding a layer of intrigue to the arrangement. OpenAI, in turn, receives a substantial capital injection, though it's confirmed that this won't cover all the immense costs associated with building the next generation of AI infrastructure. The initial $10 billion investment is slated for the second half of 2026, focusing on Nvidia's next-gen Vera Rubin chips to build out a gigawatt of capacity. But the total required capital for OpenAI's grand vision remains a massive question mark. This colossal investment has sent ripples through the tech community and the stock market. Analysts are dissecting the implications for competitors like AMD and other cloud providers like Oracle, who have also been vying for OpenAI's business. The market is buzzing with speculation about how this will affect chip availability and pricing for other AI developers. Will this solidify Nvidia's dominance, or could it create new challenges? But is this massive investment a sign of unstoppable AI growth, or are we seeing the early signs of a potential bubble? Stick around as we break down the market's reaction. Nvidia and OpenAI forge a $100 billion superintelligence alliance. This is it, the partnership that could define the future of AI. Nvidia and OpenAI have officially announced a letter of intent for a monumental strategic partnership, aiming to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia systems for OpenAI's next-generation AI infrastructure. This collaboration is laser-focused on training and running their future models, charting a course toward what they call superintelligence. Nvidia intends to invest up to a staggering $100 billion in OpenAI as these new systems are deployed, marking one of the largest investments in the tech sector's history. The first phase of this massive infrastructure build-out is slated to go live in the second half of 2026, powered by Nvidia's cutting-edge Vera Rubin platform. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang emphasized that this partnership represents the next leap forward, pushing the boundaries of AI development, while OpenAI CEO Sam Altman highlighted that compute infrastructure will be the basis for the economy of the future. This synergy aims to co-optimize OpenAI's model and infrastructure software with Nvidia's hardware and software, creating a powerful feedback loop for innovation. The tech world is abuzz with this news, seeing it as a critical step in scaling AI benefits globally. Industry, insiders, and investors are closely watching how this collaboration will influence the broader AI ecosystem, from competitors to cloud service providers. The shared vision for advancing artificial general intelligence and making its benefits accessible to everyone is a key talking point. While this partnership is set to revolutionize AI, some are raising concerns about market stability. What are the potential downsides of such a massive AI infrastructure push? OpenAI on track for trillion-dollar IPO amidst AI stock surge. Get ready, because OpenAI could be the first company to hit the astonishing $1 trillion IPO mark. Following the monumental announcement of Nvidia's up to $100 billion investment, the stock of chip giant Nvidia has not only recovered from a recent dip, but has soared to new 52-week peaks, signaling immense investor confidence in the AI sector. This strategic partnership between Nvidia and OpenAI is more than just a handshake. It's a critical infrastructure play designed to accelerate the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Nvidia's investment will help OpenAI deploy and build at least 10 gigawatts of AI data centers, powered by millions of Nvidia GPUs, with the first gigawatt expected online by late 2026 using the Vera Rubin platform. This move aims to alleviate critical compute constraints, meet soaring demand, and drive revenue, positioning OpenAI as a key player in the future AI economy. The deal has also sent positive shockwaves through Nvidia's AI infrastructure partners, including CoreWeave, Dell Technologies, and Oracle, whose stocks have seen significant gains. The market is electrified by the prospect of OpenAI's IPO, with its current private valuation around $500 billion, making it a prime candidate for the first trillion-dollar public offering. This potential IPO is further fueled by ChatGPT's massive user base of 700–800 million weekly active users. The success of companies like CoreWeave, which has seen explosive growth post-IPO, adds to the bullish sentiment surrounding AI-related ventures. But with such rapid growth and massive investments, are we heading towards an AI market bubble? Let's dive into the concerns being raised. Nvidia's OpenAI deal, market booster or bubble warning. Nvidia's colossal investment in OpenAI is making waves, not just boosting stock prices, but also triggering serious concerns about a potential market bubble. This massive $100 billion commitment is fueling the AI frenzy, but it's also raising red flags among financial experts. The partnership between Nvidia and OpenAI, aimed at building next-generation AI infrastructure, has been a significant catalyst for Nvidia's stock, pushing it to record highs. This alliance is designed to secure critical AI chip supply for OpenAI's ambitious projects, potentially accelerating the development of advanced AI models. The sheer scale of the investment underscores the immense demand and strategic importance of AI hardware and infrastructure in today's market. However, the rapid ascent of AI-related stocks and the sheer magnitude of these investments are leading many to question the sustainability of current valuations. Financial analysts and market watchers are expressing caution, pointing to the unprecedented capital flow into AI as a potential indicator of an overheated market. The question on everyone's mind is whether the current AI boom is a sustainable technological revolution or an unsustainable bubble poised for a correction. This massive deal, while exciting, is amplifying these existing concerns about market exuberance. We've covered the massive Nvidia OpenAI deal, the potential trillion-dollar IPO, and the bubble concerns. But what's the bottom line for you? Let's wrap it all up. And that's a wrap on today's AI explosion. We saw Nvidia commit a massive $100 billion to OpenAI, potentially paving the way for OpenAI's historic trillion-dollar IPO, while also sparking crucial conversations about market bubbles. Remember to like this video, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more cutting-edge AI news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more insights. See you next time.